this video, I will show you how to add multiple labels on Google Maps. So if you want to add multiple labels on your Google Maps, then this is what you need to do. So first of all, we're going to open Google Maps. So let's go ahead and click on this. And then, as you can see, I already have some in here, and I'm going to show you how you can do this. So let's say we want to add another one. Then you can either search here and type in the location or the address, or you can select it manually like I'm going to do right now. And I'm just going to select this spot in here. And now at the bottom, I will see this option Add Label. So you can just go ahead and click on Add Label in here, give it a name. Let's say we are going to call this Church. Then we're going to click on Church. We can add this as a label, as you can see. And now we have this added. And if you want to add another one, then we're going to select another location. And then again, we're going to click on Add Label in here. And now we can just give it another name. So that is basically how you can add multiple labels on Google Maps. And if you want to see them all at once, then this is what you can do for that. You can then click on Search here, and then you will find them all here in the top. But if you want a better overview, you can click on More. And when you click on More, you see in here this option Labeled, and these are all of your labeled locations. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.